we're gonna preserve this adorable cookie made by Bittersweet Christine. I will link the materials I used in the description below. Here I'm mixing equal parts of epoxy resin A and B. Then you want to pour them in the same cup and mix, and you can't really mix it too much. Just keep going at it. I'm using a little plastic tray from, I think, a packet of screws. It's my first pour. I'm just trying it out, and this worked just fine. It's something I could easily break away at the end. And then I'm using my little craft heat gun to remove some of the air bubbles. Look at that cutie. Here I'm realizing I probably should have poured the first layer, let it cure, and then put him in the middle. You'll see why later, but I'm just gonna push him down and pour the next half on top of him. Oh, please wear the proper safety gear while doing this. This was a low fume resin and I was outside, but definitely wear the gloves. The kit I bought came with the gloves. It just scared me getting resin on my fingers. Didn't seem like fun. Here, his little cookie kept floating away. I must have pushed that thing back into place about 10 times before this cured. Luckily, it all worked out. Can't have him losing his cookies. So the reason I thought it would be better maybe to pour a layer down first and then put him down is because he kept moving around. He kept floating to the top. But maybe it wouldn't have mattered. He might have kept moving around and floating up. But I just kept checking on him, and since this is self-leveling, it was okay to just keep adjusting. It worked out in the end. But there's that cookie again. I could not wait to get up in the morning to finally take him out. So here's him still in the package. And then get some shots of him outside. So adorable. And now I never have to eat him. Even though I did eat his little brothers. They were delicious. I had to leave one. All future Bittersweet Christine cookies will probably be getting the same treatment. I just loved how he turned out.